get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning.
Hey yo, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Ang gagawin natin?
Shop update.
Shop update. So, yung car wash natin guys, almost done. Puntahan natin. So, shop tour tayo as if malaki yung shop natin. Maliit lang. And then, nag-shades ako guys kasi yung mata ko, nagsusuwal yung dito ko. Yun, mag-shade lang ako guys kasi nahihiya ako. Alright, so let's go! Parking space natin to. Lalagyan natin ng mga bato lahat. And then shade. Para at least may parking space yung mga customers natin na gusto mag-wait. Pwede na i-park dito yung kotse nila. Tato sa shop guys, let's go! Car wash ako dito guys. Ako din actually magwa-wash ako ng car. It's been like 2 years. Passion ko talaga yung yung cleaning cars. So, di ko lang na-vlog and then I decided na why not mag-open na lang ng shop for you. Pasok tayo sa loob. Welcome to Blackberry Garage. Okay. Here's the shop. Di pa siya tapos, pero almost done na. Probably around mga 90% na tayo. Then, kulang dito guys, car wash tiles. And then, maliliit na mga, na lang, things to adjust. And, yeah. So, sink to siya guys. Lalagyan natin dito. Sink. So, here's the shop. Yung side na dyan is parang bamboo, yung anong Tagalog ng lang? Bagakay? Bagakay is a place here in Dumaguete. Eto, dito pressure washer natin. Yung side dyan, parang may table, may sink, may counter. And then dito natin lalagay yung rack. So eto, may shelves na tayo guys. Shelves na rack para doon natin lalagay lahat ng chemicals. So yung chemicals, i-display ko so that the customers will see kung ano yung ginagamit natin na chemicals. Ano yung pre-wash, yung shampoo, lahat ng chemicals na magta-touch sa car, makikita nila. And then everything is premium. So everything is high grade, everything is well-researched, and then personally, yun talaga yung ginagamit ko. Nagka-car wash ako sa bahay. So, dito yung sink, and then this part, dito ko ilalagay yung big boy na the vacuum. Eto, may dalawang pressure washer tayo. So, eto yung RCC. And then yung kabila, yung Cranzel. Yung Cranzel talaga guys, yun yung pinaka magandang pressure washer. And then, grabe guys, si Sir Wendell from Clean Cars, sa kanya ko binili yung Cranzel. May konting leak yung kasi, kaya nawala. Pinaship ko ulit. Actually, yung Cranzel talaga, di siya masisira. Known siya for its robust design and then yung quality niya, very durable. Probably sa shipping siguro kasi pagdating nun, parang na-UP yung cover ng fan. So, finix ko lang and then siguro na-damage yung area dito na part dahil nahulog siguro nung shipping courier. So, yun. Gusto ko lang sana ipa-fix pero papalitan niya. So, Clean Cars, si Sir Wendell, the best. The best yung service. Eto, Cox reel. So, ito yung pinakamagandang Cox reel by far. Yung hose natin, MTM. Yung washing natin dito, very efficient. So, gagawin ko talaga na kung ano yung way ng pag-wash ng car sa bahay namin. Ganito yung gagawin ko dito. So, everything is high quality. Actually, 2 bays sana. Kaya siya 2 bays, guys. So, dalawa yung, nakikita nyo yung isang hex light. So, dalawa yan dito supposedly. But then, I realized na pag yung isang car nasa likod, medyo mahihirapan siyang lumabas kasi parang maggaganyan siya and then exit. Baka mahihirapan and then baka possibly masagi doon. So, gusto ko iwasan yun. Gusto ko talaga, kasi this is a very premium car wash. Gusto ko lahat safe. Ginawa ko 1 bay na lang.
Exclusive talaga na ikaw lang tapos nakafocus sa'yo.
Yeah. Yung floor natin, car wash tiles, all black ko lang para, para malinis tignan and then yung water, sa ilalim lang siya dadaan. Hindi siya makikita sa taas. So, pag titirahin mo ng pressure washer sa sahig, hindi siya makikita sa taas. Dediretso siya sa ilalim. And then, yung mga dirt, nasa ilalim siya. So, once a month, kailangan ko din mag-maintenance. Kailangan kong baklasin lahat yung car wash tiles just to clean yung ilalim para at least hindi siya magpa-pile up yung dirt sa ilalim. Yun. So, dito naman guys, I forgot to explain. May deionizer tayo. So this is para sa final rinse. Yung first rinse natin sa pre-wash, hard water muna gagamitin natin. And then, after pre-wash, and then spray na ulit tayo ng for contact wash, and then contact wash tayo. Pag final rinse, ito yung gagamitin natin. And why two? Ba't dalawa? Isa lang yung bay natin para may spare. So, either of the two, parang alternate lang natin gagamitin para hindi masisira yung mga pressure washer natin. And then for the drying natin, we have dalawang Big Boy Blower Pro for fast drying, guys. And then, may towel pa rin tayo. We have 1,500 GSM na microfiber towel to fully dry the car. And then, what else? Do you have questions?
Whoa!
So if you're from Dumaguete and you want to have me? You want me to wash your car? Just come here. So, pasok tayo sa loob. So, welcome to the lounge. So, ito yung lounge natin, yung waiting area. May aircon tayo, may coffee. So, may free coffee tayo, guys. May free brewed coffee tayo. And then we have drinks. So, bibili pa kami ngayon ng ref. And then, bibili kami ng... Yeah. So, yung floor is not this one. Yung floor, guys, is turf. So, igagrass natin lahat. Kasi yung theme is camping style. So, yung chairs natin dito overlanding style. So, magka-camping chairs tayo. And then...
Pero yung maganda yung chumps.
Yeah, yung chumps. Yung chumps. Na-order natin yung chumps. And then, may mga designs na yung mga vintage style na mga frames. And then, may TV. May TV tayo dito, guys. Lalagyan natin TV here para at least kung magwo-wait ka, hindi ka maboboard. So, lalagyan natin ng TV and then we have coffee and drinks. Lalagyan ako ng chair dito na side and then table. So, if gusto mong tumingin sa kotse mo and then magko-coffee ka or anong bibilhin mo na drink, so you can just sit here, relax, and then enjoy the show. So, yung CR natin, ito. Here's the CR, di pa tapos. There. Di pa siya tapos, pero we'll make sure na it's clean. It's always clean kasi gusto ko yung CR din natin, ayaw kong madumi. Kasi palagi ako nagsi-CR. And ayaw kong...
Lalagyan pa yan ng dito, may mirror dito.
Yes, may mirror dito, and then may shelves.
Tapos malaking poster
Yep, may poster dito, and then may mirror pa din dito.
Na super malaki.
Super malaki. So gusto natin para spacious naman. So lagyan natin ng mirror para at least medyo maluwag siya tignan. So we have counter. So dito ko lalagay yung coffee. Lalagay ko yung coffee dyan. Yun lang. Maliit lang, guys. Just for kung sino mong papa-car wash, at least may space siya to relax while waiting na. Nilinisan namin yung car niyo. What else?
Yung gate mo maganda.
Yeah, thank you. Yung gate. Car wash muna tayo, guys. Actually, gusto ko na mag-put up ng place for ceramic coating. Pero for now, eto muna. So, car wash is really important talaga, as in sobra. It's like, para ka lang nagpapa-maintenance ng kotse. Car wash is your maintenance as well. So, don't neglect yung pag-washing ng car. Make sure na tama yung process. Yung process ng washing, guys, is so meticulous. So, hindi siya basa-basa. So, you can't use any microfiber lang or parang kumot lang or anything na gagawin mo para lang ma-clean. Yes, malinisan yung car mo, but if titignan mo maigi yung car paint or yung ceramic coating mo afterwards, for sure, may damage yun. So, dito, we'll make sure lahat ng shampoos natin is pH neutral. So, safe for any surfaces. So, safe siya for ceramic coating. Safe siya for the clear coat sa mga walang ceramic coating. Lahat ng chemicals natin na magta-touch ng car is safe. Especially for the interior, guys. We use PNS na Express Interior Cleaner. So, that's one of the best interior cleaner out here in the world. So, yun, ayoko too serious. Parang serious na. Pero yun, I usually, talaga, it's me. It's not you.
Grabe yung pagre-research ni Iggy kasi every waking moment niya, nasa phone. Nagre-read, nagre-research, nanonood ng kahit ano-anong mga video.
I'm a reader.
Reader?
May vlog pa tayo coming, guys. Sorry na hindi namin na-vlog yung ibang setup. I know you guys are looking forward to it. Pero soon, ibabalik natin yun. And then, focus tayo dito for everyone na gustong manood ng paano linisin yung car nila. Please subscribe and watch out. No. Again. So, for everyone na gustong matuto or if you want na paano linisin proper.
You're interested.
Yeah, if you're interested to how to properly wash your car, so subscribe our channel and we'll make sure to teach you the perfect way to wash your car. And not just that, soon how to properly ceramic coat your car if you want to DIY, so pwede. And then yung setup natin guys, Jimny soon, wala pa kaming pera ngayon kasi naubos dito.
Na dito.
So pambili na sana namin ng gym nito pero eto muna perfect gawin.
Please support us as we start our car wash journey.
Thank you for watching our vlog and watch out.